Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're taking you out to the Oreilly Auto Parts in Baldwin, Florida. They decided to have a car show. Not sure if they were doing a grand opening or what. They just decided they were going to have a car show. Which, hey, that was cool. A lot of cool cars came out to it, too. A lot of stuff I hadn't seen in the area, either. So, definitely a good choice to go out to that car show on Saturday. So, we enjoyed it. It was a good time. We took a ton of pictures, ton of video. This is going to be the Walkabout cam, where we take a camera and a selfie stick and just, take you around and show you what's at the car show. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to give us a like, comment, subscribe, share it around. Any little thing helps with the YouTube algorithm. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So, let's rev it up for the car show.
This was just laying there like that. The lady didn't even stop when there wasn't any traffic.
Doesn't like the aftermarket ones either. He wanted that one out of the
We bought it, it's titled as a 65, but it, like I said, it rolled on to
and I never touched the gas on the way here. The farm I did roast a little bit, but other than that, just kicking in and out of gear. He said he didn't go. My gas man. I've seen a lot of. I've seen a few times.
This was just laying there like that. The lady didn't even stop when there wasn't any traffic.
Doesn't like the aftermarket ones either. He wanted that one out of the
We bought it, it's titled as a 65, but it, like I said, it rolled on to
and I never touched the gas on the way here. The farm I did roast a little bit, but other than that, just kicking in and out of gear. He said he didn't go. My gas man. I've seen a few times.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Oreilly Auto Parts of Baldwin, Florida car show. We really don't know what was going on with this car show other than the fact that it was a car show. They just, for some reason, decided they were having a car show. Could have been a grand opening car show. Could have been a 1 year, 5 year, whatever anniversary car show. We don't know. But it was a good one. They had a lot of cool cars out there that hadn't come to any other car show in the area recently. Or at least that I had seen. And, you know, I'm your North Florida car show guy. I've seen it all. And there were quite a few that I hadn't seen. So maybe they just got them finished over the summer. Or maybe they just decided to come out to this one random show. I don't know. But anyway, we got to enjoy it. Now you guys get to enjoy it online. So, I hope you'll give us a like, subscribe, comment, share it around to your friends. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers on YouTube. Just so we can get some of that sweet YouTube money. We're a low-budget, one-person operation most of the time. We do have assistants on car show days. But hey, overall, we're a one-person army here. So, any help you can be on getting YouTube, getting us to our 500 subscribers. We're at 311. So, we still got a little bit of ways to go. But it'd be great if you guys could help us out on that. Share it around. Leave us a thumbs up. You know, whatever you want to do. Just anything, any little interaction helps. So, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to be headed out to somewhere this next weekend. It'll be posted online where we're going. I don't know where it is yet. But hey, we'll be out there somewhere. We'll be out here in the North Florida area going to a car show. Anywhere from Daytona Beach to Savannah, Georgia. We're going to be covering that area somewhere in the middle. Anyway, we'll see you guys out at the car show.